Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Painted Desert extra short coffin nails and I'm going to be applying them with the Dashing Diva Fast Bond. Here we go. So here are the Painted Desert extra short coffin nails, and when you break these out you're going to want to size them to fit your nails sidewall to sidewall, and I've already done that with all of mine. I know my numbers. I know which ones fit what nails. And then I'm going to clean all of my nails off with some alcohol. Now, if you really wanted to go to town on these, you could do, like a primer and a bond, or, all that good stuff. But I don't worry with that. I'm just going in with some alcohol. And I figure most of y'all probably have alcohol in your homes that you could use. So they're all cleaned up. I'm doing these on both hands. I'm not going to show you every single bit of it. But these have these little nubbies on it. So I'm going to just take a little nail file and go ahead and remove that. And here is the Dashing Diva Fast Bond. Now, you don't need like a ton of this, depending on how long your nails are. But you're going to want to go close to the cuticle area in the back and put like a little bit of it in that area. Because as you apply it to the nail, it's going to smush down. So I do wipe off the tip and put the lid back on in between them just because I'm funny like that. And you're going to want to do it at an angle back by your cuticle and then apply pressure, not too much, and then hold it just for, literally, you can feel it when you can tell when it's like done. I mean, it's crazy. You can feel something though where you know it's on there. It's there. And I'm just holding mine just because I'm a ninny. And then I'm going to go around these with my dip liquid activator. And go up under the nail and down the sides to get to anything that's, out there. Now, this is a trick I learned from Miss Carol Annette over on her channel. And it really did make it, like cure up. Ignore the thumb. I had something going on there. But we're going to do another one here. Here we go. So we're going to put a little bit of this. And I would say it's just a good bead across that edge. Nothing crazy. Maybe a little more than a bead line. Wipe that tip off. Put the cap on. And I wiped across the back of it with my finger like a crazy woman. And then apply it. Push down. And I love these nail tips. I know I've said it before, but I really do love them. I like the quality. I like the way they fit. All of it. So here we go. We're going to do the activator again. Well, I'm going to hold it for a second. It really doesn't take long at all. And this is a very fast process. I mean, you can get some nails on your hands like real quick. And you can do this with colored tips too. They don't have to be clear. I just wanted to use the clear ones today to show you kind of, well, just so you could see what I was doing, Because as you apply it back by the cuticle and do the press down, all that glue kind of pushes forward. And it covered all the way, to the edge of my free nail, so that it's got a seal in it and water won't be getting up under that when you're washing your hands or taking baths or doing dishes. You don't want to have, you don't want to get a bunch of water up under that nail. I just hold it. And that one's I could already feel that it was connected. It's a weird feeling though. I wasn't expecting that. And then I'll hold it again. So there we go. I'm going to do just a little bit more because I'm going to do my other hand too. See, I was doing that with my non-dominant hand, and now I've got this glue over in my dominant hand. Well, you know what I'm saying. I can do both hands this way, and I like that. It wasn't any harder on one hand than the other. So, okay, now I'm getting smart and wiping the back edge of that off on my paper towel. Now, this stuff, I would say, it's like a super thick super glue consistency. And I love it. Game changer for me. Because, like gels, reinforcement gels or whatever, I seem to get those, they get squishy. Squish out the sides or the back or whatever. And then regular nail glue is too thin. It just doesn't seem to, like I don't get a good fit with it. I don't know how else to describe it. It's just too thin. Some of these nail tips have like a little gap between, you know, your fingernail and, you know, where this attaches. There's a little gap, and that had been bothering me. So for me, this Dashing Diva is going to be, this Fast Bond from Dashing Diva is just going to be a game changer for me. It's lovely. And learning this little trick about the activator, it just helps cure it all up faster. And I'm tickled to death with it. I don't get commission off this. I am not a sponsored person by the Dashing Divas. But when I like something, I'll let you guys know about it. And if y'all have anything then that y'all like that's like this, let me know. I might check it out. But I really did like this. This has probably been my best experience doing any kind of like press-on nails. I love the little tabs, but with the way I work and the things I do, I just can't get those to last more than like a day. And they don't ever feel like they're own my nail good. I always feel like I'm going to pop them off. Which is fine if you're just like going to dinner and you just want something cute on your nails. But me, I'm going to work and I'm working with my hands. So I needed something like this. I am in love with this stuff. Thank you, Miss Carolinette, for sharing with everyone. I am wiping over with some alcohol. Just to make sure I got, you know, I had a little spot of something. And I'm just thrilled with this. And I am going to do manicures on both of these hands in other videos. But I wanted to just show the process of applying these in its own video. But I do wipe that tip off. And the package came with an extra tip. So if you had like some kind of mishap and it kind of glued shut or whatever, then you could trade tips. I don't see that happening. I'm just going to keep wiping mine off on the paper towel and doing it that way. Doing it that way seems to be working for me. And then put that cap on really well. We've almost got them all done. And I mean, this really didn't take long at all. And I think these nail tips from Painted Desert and this new glue that I've found, it's new to me. No telling how long it's been out there avoiding me, but we found it, and I'm so happy. So happy. Because with my nails being all the way back to my, you know, shorty short, super shorts on both hands, I kind of needed some, you know, some hope to be able to do, you know, because I can do some things on short nails, but I can't do everything I want to do on them. So it's nice to have options. Now, this isn't going to be a habit on my channel. I do plan on, you know, growing my natural nails back out. But in the meantime, this is what we have. Alright, so I'm going around and wiping with some alcohol. And we are done. There you have it. I so enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed it too. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.